And so, even now, numerous nations and major corporations are fixing their gaze upon the ocean depths where, beneath the veil of darkness, lies hidden the future. It is a place known to humanity as the Mariana Trench. Yet, in reality, this site is an unfathomable, mysterious abyss, a place where to descend is to vanish into the darkness. It plunges to a depth of nearly 11,000 meters, a realm where not even a single ray of sunlight can penetrate. Indeed, venturing down there would feel as though countless giants were closing in from all sides, attempting to crush your very body. Few nations have ever mustered the courage to venture into this chasm. However, one nation has recently cast aside all conventional calculations and plunged headfirst into the deepest reaches of this world. Yes, China. They are no longer merely conducting research. They are deploying robots into these oceanic depths. They are formulating plans to establish permanent bases on the ocean floor. Conversely, many Western nations, including the United States, appear to have lost their enthusiasm for oceanic exploration. This raises the question: what exactly lies within the depths of the Mariana Trench? What is it that has made China so desperate, prompting them to construct robotic bases in the deep ocean? Today, let us explore these very questions. While the ocean's surface may shimmer with brilliant light, that familiar world transforms rapidly as one descends beneath the waves. Down to a depth of approximately 200 meters, the water column remains teeming with both light and life. Yet, immediately beyond this point, the dominion of darkness begins. It is at this juncture that a bizarre new world unfolds, a realm where creatures generate their own internal light to hunt for prey. Descending even further reveals yet another distinct zone, a layer inhabited by peculiar organisms, such as long-armed squids and balloon-like fish, which thrive effortlessly amidst the crushing pressure and absolute darkness. At a depth of roughly 4,000 meters, the abyssal zone begins, a realm of perpetual darkness where the ocean floor lies entirely blanketed in sediment. At first glance, it might appear to be a desolate desert, yet beneath this layer of sediment lies a history spanning billions of years. The layers formed by the dead plankton, fish, and dust particles that slowly drift down from the surface are known as marine snow. This carbon-rich stratum has created a vast hidden reservoir deep beneath the ocean. Nevertheless, due to a scarcity of food, very few creatures are able to survive here. Occasionally, however, a rare visitor descends into this realm. For instance, should a whale die and sink to the ocean floor, an entirely new ecosystem suddenly springs up around its carcass, one that endures for years on end. This phenomenon is known as a whale fall. Even deeper, beyond a depth of approximately 6,000 meters, begins the dominion of the trenches, Reaching such depths entails descending into a zone where the pressure is 600 times greater than that at the ocean's surface. The Challenger. Deep. The deepest point within the Mariana Trench lies nearly 11,000 meters down. It is here that scientists have discovered strange, colossal, single-celled organisms and pristine, white, shrimp-like creatures. Most astonishingly, humans have successfully reached the very bottom of the Challenger Deep and returned to the surface on only 2 occasions. The first instance occurred in 1960, when 2 courageous individuals, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, successfully reached this site. The second descent was undertaken in 2012 by the renowned filmmaker James Cameron. Subsequently, an explorer named Victor Vescovo attempted to reach these extreme depths by undertaking several dives into the region. Then, in 2020, China deployed a submersible named Fendouzhe, carrying a crew of 3 into the formidable depths of the Mariana Trench. In doing so, they made history. Yet, the Chinese did not stop there. In fact, they began to descend even more rapidly and aggressively into the depths, constructing small-scale submersibles and autonomous robots, moving so swiftly that before anyone could even realize what was happening, they had established an entire empire beneath the ocean. Consider this. In 2024, China deployed a robot no larger than a shoebox. This robot independently scanned the ocean floor and returned safely. This event serves as proof that, whereas massive and costly submersibles were once required for such tasks, it is now possible to conduct comprehensive expeditions across the entire ocean floor using these small robots. Consequently, China is now manufacturing a multitude of autonomous robots, each specialized for a specific task. Working in coordinated teams, they can effectively blanket the entire ocean floor silently and at a low cost. And so, even now, numerous nations and major corporations are fixing their gaze upon the ocean depths where, beneath the veil of darkness, lies hidden the future.